Greg Luther here, and listen, I am stressed out of my freaking mind. This is probably the most stress I've dealt with in years. I haven't slept in days. Putting undue pressure on myself, undue stress on myself. If you're not familiar with what's going on, I'll tell you a little bit about it. If you've been in real estate for a while, you'll certainly love this. Many of you know I'm doing pretty well. Business is good. We do tons of referrals, buyers, sellers, that type of thing. Life is good, but the downside of this, my 18-year-old son just got his real estate license. Literally just got his MLS password here yesterday or the day before. Just getting started as a real estate agent, and I am really putting a lot of stress on myself and making sure that he becomes massively successful. So I've put so much time, literally pages and pages and pages of everything I want him to do and exactly how to set it up and what he needs to do with his bank accounts and what about taxes and how do you advertise and how do you start with no money and what about when the FSBO asks you if you've ever sold homes before and what if you're doing a luxury deal. Just so much stuff, and I am putting unbelievable pressure on myself to make sure that he doesn't have to go through the same stresses that I did and trying to make lots of money in real estate. Many of you know I struggled miserably for 2 years as a realtor and then figured out marketing. I almost choked on my own spit there, and figured out marketing and became one of the top agents in the state and then in the country. So I've created some big goals. This dude's 18 years old. Actually, you'll see a little video of him. I'm going to give you a link in a second, but here's a video of him and I that we just shot here. And you'll be able to find out a little bit of details on what I'm doing with him here. But, you know, he's 18 years old. He looks like he's 16. Has never been on an appointment. Doesn't know anything about real estate. And I am teaching him exactly what to do. And, you know, I've had a lot of people, I'm already seeing in the comments here saying, I wish I was your son. I wish I had that in my back pocket. I wish I had somebody to show me the right way and all of that. So anyway, the reason I'm telling you about this, I'm really putting a lot of stress on myself that I want him to do really well. I want to show him exactly what to do. The best stuff to do with $0 out of pocket or very little money out of pocket. But I want to do it in 10 days. I want to set everything up in 10 days so he knows exactly what to do. And, you know, just kind of mentioning this to a lot of people around the country, they said, man, I've been doing this 20 years and I would love to kind of sit through that and see how you'll build his business. How can you get a brand new licensee, 18 years old, on appointments the first week? And can anybody copy that without spending money? The fact is, it is very duplicatable. So anyway, this doesn't even come out until tomorrow, but I wanted to vent my freaking stress right now. Those of you on Facebook or even YouTube, if you're following me there, you're going to know in advance about this. What I'm doing is I'm inside our office here. I'm calling it the Zach Project. My son, Zach Luther, that is when you see the video, that's him and I right there. I'm going to give you the website in a second. It's not real clear, but you can kind of see it. I'm going to show you how he will make $150,000 his first year in the business without any money starting out. I'm giving him $1,000. He probably won't even use half of that. I'm literally putting in his bank account. But I've already started this. I've already got the proofs on all the postcards, and check this out. Big time real estate agent. Look, there he is. So we are getting all of his marketing together, and what I'm doing is I'm recording a video of exactly what we're doing, exactly what I'm saying with him. I'll have him on a Zoom call. How did the FSBO appointment go last night? What did they say? How did you do with this referral? How is this advertising working for you? What are you posting on Facebook to generate some business for yourself? I'm going to document this one video every day for 10 days. And I'll tell you a little bit about it. If you go to, it's a brand new site. I don't even know if it's all done yet. It's supposed to be released tomorrow, but I'm giving you advance notice because I'm only letting 500 agents in on this. I'm walking them through the process as though they were my kid to literally make sure they're making tons of money. It's www.letsgetsomeclosings.com. You'll probably see it in the description here somewhere. www.letsgetsomeclosings.com. What you'll see there when you go there is an interview, not even an interview. It's me talking about what I'm doing for my son Zach, who's sitting there during this video to build his business. And what I'm doing is I'm letting 500 agents watch and how I'm building it from day one, exactly how we're doing this. So I have tons and tons of agents that are involved with us at all different levels, inner circle members, just following online, that type of thing. I'm only allowing 500 agents in on this, so you're finding out about it well in advance. I would highly suggest you take a look at it today. Just learning a little bit about like new kid on the block, zero sphere of influence, by the way. I mean, even if he did, we just moved 1,000 miles away. So he has no friends here, but let's be honest, even if he did, they're 18 years old. They're not buying houses. He just graduated high school. So he will make 150,000 his first year. I lost the magazine. And next year, he will be top 30 under 30. This is going to happen. I don't fail. My kid will be 30 under 30 next year. So I am building all of this out over a 10-day period, and it's not like he's spending money. It's not like dad's giving him tons of stuff. I'm showing him what to do every day and teaching him as though he were my son. It's my passion project. It's the biggest thing I've ever worked on. Again, I'm putting a lot of stress on myself to make sure this is right. I already have all 10 of the topics that I'm going to be covering here, just pages and pages of stuff I'm putting together to make sure he launches properly. And, I mean, frankly, even agents that have been doing this 20 or 30 years, if you put this easy stuff in place, you have no excuses anymore. All you can do is make money. So anyway, you'll learn a little bit about that at letsgetsomeclosings.com. Brand new, literally today. We're just getting that released. It's officially being released tomorrow. You'll see a lot of stuff about it tomorrow, and it's going to be filled up very quickly. But anyway, point being, I'm a dad. I put a lot of stress on helping others more than I do helping myself. I don't know if you feel the same way. Like, I'm already good. I freaking give money away. I'm in good shape. But it's important to me to make sure he earns every penny he gets. Dad ain't giving him money. He ain't getting the easy route. I'm not financing anything for him. Like, he's going to earn everything that he needs to earn, much like I did. I had nothing handed to me growing up. I had to learn from the school of hard knocks. So I'm going to eliminate a lot of those hard knocks for him, but he's going to start from zero, and he's going to bootstrap his business to become one of the top 30 under 30 in the country. But our goal is over $150,000 his first year. Big deal. 10 grand a month, right? 12 grand a month. Not real hard to do if you have some good systems in place. So anyway, I'll be glad when this is over, because I am putting unbelievable pressure on myself with this. Zach decided, I figured I'd sell it at $1,500 a person. Zach's like, no, we need to all but give it away. Have everybody involved where it's like a no-brainer. The lowest cost you've ever had on anything you've ever done in your life, because they'll get to see what you're doing to build my business. And of course, it's going to be the best project you've ever offered to the public. But let's like give it away almost, have a little bit of skin in the game. But that's what we're doing. So anyway, that is being released tomorrow. I'm hoping to get some sleep because I have been spending so much time on this. It's starting very soon. Module number 1 is going to be released of this 10 days in a row. And again, like when you're doing well yourself, that's one thing. But when you're trying to help a family member, when you're trying to help your own kid, I think you'll agree. I'm very serious about making sure agents succeed in life. I'm very passionate about making sure they're good. But let's be honest, I don't want anybody to succeed more than I want my son to. And, it's a direct reflection on me. It's a direct reflection on our coaching. And it's a direct reflection on literally the legacy that I'm leaving. I've got all of these success elements everywhere. That very first one is the legacy that I'm leaving behind. And I know he's going to be massively successful. And for 500 agents, they're going to get to follow along for 10 days. So anyway, I want you to check it out. Let's get some closings.com. You'll be hearing about it tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be a little more rested. Again, I was just kind of proofing this on the mobile site here on how he's going to make $150,000 brand new in the business, starting with zero. Check it out. It's in the description somewhere. Hopefully this is helpful for you. By the way, if you're excited about this, click the like button. Give me a little thumbs up here. Let me know if this is something that you'd like to follow along with. Make sure you're following our page and you turn on notifications. And by the way, if you know of someone that you think this would be helpful for, share this with them. Tag them in the comments. whatever you need to do here. I'm sure you know some real estate agents that would love to get a couple extra closings every month. Tag them in the comments here, man. Let's help each other out. But I got to tell you, I'm not doing this for you. I'm certainly not doing it for the money. There's no money there for me to be had, for the kind of numbers that I'm looking for. I'm doing this for Zach, and I think you'll really get a lot out of following along. So anyway, if you know somebody this would be helpful for, make sure you say so in the comments here, tag them in the comments, and share this information. And otherwise, you'll be hearing about it tomorrow when it comes out. You're getting early access today. So let's get some closings.com. Is that what you want to do? Let's get it. Watch that interview. I think you'll find it very helpful. I'm Greg Luther. We'll talk to you later, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.